Tired of your current hosting slowing you down? Let's seamlessly move your website to Hostinger in under 2 minutes. First, always start with a full backup of your existing website. This includes all your website files and your database. Locate the backup option in your current hosting control panel and download everything. Next, you'll transfer your website files. You can do this via File Manager directly in Hostinger's panel, or by using an FTP client. Upload all the files you backed up into the public_HTML directory of your new Hostinger account. Now, let's handle the database in your Hostinger panel. Navigate to the database section and create a new database. You'll also need to create a user for this database and assign it privileges. On your old hosting, access your database using fnadmin. Select your website's database and then choose the export option. Download the entire database as a SQL file. Back in Hostinger's panel, open phpMyAdmin for your newly created database. Select the Import tab and upload the SQL file you just downloaded from your old host. Crucially, you'll need to update your website's configuration file to reflect the new database name, username, and password you just created in Hostinger. Finally, it's time to point your domain to Hostinger by updating your DNS Records. Log into your domain registrar. Find the name server settings and replace your old name servers with the ones provided by Hostinger. DNS propagation can take a few hours, so be patient. And that's it. Your website is now happily residing on Hostinger. Enjoy your faster, more reliable online presence.